Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're going to be doing a first impressions and review these products that actually got collaboration with Morphe Brushes, which is Madison beer guys. So much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, welcome and thank you so much for clicking this video. My name's Michelle. I actually do a lot of videos on makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty hauls, makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty tips and tricks, and much more. And you might want to consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Guys, wanted to find out if Madison's Beer's makeup collections with Morphe brushes actually worth getting, and finding out what my thoughts and review. In that way you'll be able to save some money. Please keep on watching. With this eyeshadow palette here guys, this is her palette here, which is called the Chanel Surfing Artistry palette. This actually retail for $22 US dollars and $32 Australian dollars guys. It actually has 20 shades, and they've actually have matte and shimmer finish guys. Packaging guys is actually made from cardboard, but it's a really hard packaging. So when you open the palette guys, get a built-in mirror, a pretty shades guys. They are very pretty shades. At my eyes first. So I'm using the Fenty eye primer guys. Shade here, this is called, let's just read. Okay, this is called Devil in a Dress, a Morphe M456. This brush here guys. Formula is a little bit powdery guys. Apply very smoothly on my lid guys. Using the Morphe M514, I'm just kind of buffing the edges. I've applied just on my lid guys. So as you can see guys, it's very buttery, actually easy to blend. This chocolate shade here guys, called 3553 shades. Just gonna pack this on my outer corner. Okay, so it's the shade, this is the 3553. So it's still buttery guys. It actually blends, they actually blends really well together guys, so I didn't have any problem blending it guys. Light support, so I'm just gonna go and use the brush Morphe 514, and I'm just going to put this just above my crease. That's the light support. EM4433, and I'm just going to take this this shade here guys, and this is called the Zero. Just close as much possible to my brow bone. Shade here guys, this is a very buttery shade. Glass, so that's the shade here. Small flat brush. Okay, it's a little bit glittery for me guys, this shade here. Gonna go and spray it with Fix Plus, see if it's gonna give me more pigment. Okay, it's actually It's actually given more pigment, guys, when you wet the brush. The shade here too. Next to that first shimmer shade that I applied earlier. Oh, that's a really nice shade. So I don't know if you guys can see it. C137, okay, guys, which is like a kind of like a black shade on top of the chocolate shade. Just wanted to have more definition. This is called the rabbit hole. That's the shade here, guys. So the under eyes. With the under eye shade, I'll be using the light support shade. And then on my lower lashes, I'll be using the rabbit hole. Now I'm thinking about applying that applying this shade here, guys, also on my inner corner. So the next thing we're gonna try, guys, is her highlighter, and I've actually picked the fairy tears shade, guys, and it says on the website this is actually a rose gold shade. The shimmer highlighter available on the Morphe Brushes website, guys, and the other shade is the Intergalactic, and that actually has a gold shade, guys. Just looking at the website, so this liquid formula blends onto skin for radiant effects. Wear it on its own for lustrous highlight, or mix it into foundation for an illuminating glow. And this actually retail for $16 US dollars, guys, or 23 Australian dollars. Actually, the actual formula, guys, it's definitely a like a creamy formula. It's actually got a lightweight formula, guys. So this is the shade, guys. So it says this is a rose gold shade. Just gonna go and apply this by doing a tapping motion using my finger. Really got a very subtle shade, guys. Okay, I can see my foundation actually started to move. I'm getting like a patches here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if I can still fix this. Oh. Yeah, I was able to fix that. Oh, not quite. Try the other side of my face using a sponge. Definitely don't use a finger, guys, when applying this highlighter. Okay, guys, definitely use a sponge, because the sponge actually, and also like a very light patting motion, so the sponge definitely helps to apply the shimmer highlighter very smoothly on your face, guys. Okay, it does dry as a matte finish, guys. Her lip glosses. So this is her lip glosses, guys. They do come in 5 different shades, and they're actually retail for $10 US dollars each, or $15 Australian dollars. You can actually get the 5 shades in one bundle, and that way you'll be able to save money, guys. I picked up one shade which is called the Venus, and this is actually has a rosewood shade to it. Very smooth in applying, guys. So this is the shade. I'm just gonna go and line up my lips first using a lip liner. Okay, it doesn't have any scent. Battery formula, brilliant high shine finish. So that's what they're claiming. It is actually buttery when you're applying on your lips, and it's actually not sticky. So I actually feel really comfortable on the lips. This is her setting spray. Okay, so this is a Luminous setting spray, and I picked up the Lockdown, another setting spray called Seal the Deal. So this is Seal the Deal. It actually got a rose gold glow, while this Lockdown setting spray, it actually got a golden glow. It's a matte foundation today, guys, because I know that I'm gonna be using a Luminous setting spray. Setting spray infused with coconut water, glycerin and apple extract. This hydrating spray sets your makeup and seals in moisture, leaving you with a glowing glow finish. It does smells really nice, guys. It actually feels very refreshing on your face, guys. So with this palette, guys, I actually like her palette, guys, except with those shimmer shade. I find it's just a little bit too glittery for me, guys. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. But the palette range that, the color range that she picked up, she's actually picked up a really nice shades, guys. Definitely gonna go yes with this palette, guys. It's actually okay, as long as you use a sponge in applying this, guys. It actually helps to blend very smoothly on your high points of your on your cheek. So with the lip gloss, I actually love her lip gloss, guys. You know, it's very important with me, guys, especially with lip glosses. I actually don't like lip glosses that are actually sticky, but this actually feels very comfortable on the lips, and yeah, not sticky. So this is a yes for me, guys. So with the setting spray, alright, guys, because I think the all the shimmer that actually comes up from this setting spray actually ending up going on my hair, really giving me that refreshing feeling. So I just feel like it's it actually definitely locked down my makeup, guys. It actually dries very quick also. So this is a yes for me, guys. I hope I've actually help you out, guys, if you're actually thinking about buying her collections from Morphe Brushes. Please comment down below, guys, if you used these products before, and please let me know which one's your favorite, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.